We've worked very, very hard with the community via the Wyndham Park Forum. We're indebted to the Heritage Lottery Fund for the money that they've invested in Wyndham Park. From our point of view, it's absolutely fantastic to see the whole of the park brought back up to its former glory. In particular, we're very pleased with the visitor centre because it gives us opportunity to explain a bit about the history and the heritage of the site. Community reaction to the project has been extremely favourable. Some of the key challenges were adverse weather, of course, has got to be one that springs to mind this year. We've had all sorts of technical issues in terms of dealing with old buildings, and working closely with Robert Woodheads and our architects, we've been able to develop solutions to those.
Buildings are made by good clients and by good teams. I happen to be here, but there's lots of people behind and at the side of me from the local authority who persevered with this long and hard. The contractor who worked with us very carefully, very closely, and there was a very good conversation going on about issues that arise.
We found Woodheads to be very thorough, conscientious, business-like, and very keen to work with us in a collaborative way and to also resolve problems when working with old buildings.